Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a plan with me for the first time in ages. I had just found this kit from Avalon and Ninth. I had ordered from her shop a while back, and I have so many sticker kits that I completely forgot I had it. I did end up using a couple of the stickers, I guess previously, a while back. So yeah, I'm not going to do any writing or bore you. I'm just going to show you how I plan functional, yet with stickers. I am not a no white space planner, though I like stickers. So this probably was more of a summery color, but screw it. I think these are cute. I think I really like Avalon and Ninth. She's got some cute kits. As well as, obviously, Chrissy Ann Designs, because I am a kid addict, and Let's Plan It. She's another one of my favorites. Okay, so we lay down the washi and hope we don't mess up the washi. So, damn you, damn you, damn you. Oh well. Okay, so we got the washi. I don't think I'm using the date headers, only because I don't like when they're written in white, only because you can't really see them. I don't know. I don't know if that's just me or if everybody else feels like that, but since I'm not doing the date headers, and this is for the week of October 29th to November 4th. Can you believe it's already almost November, you guys? It's crazy. Before we know it, Go Wild will be coming around again. Insane. So I always usually put glitter headers at the top to decorate it. Shoot. Okay. And then I am more of a sticker coordinated planner. I like to coordinate my colors and where I like the placement of my stickers, but I don't like my whole planner covered in a kit. I can't, because I have 4 kids and I have a lot of stuff to write down. I can't. And it's too cluttered for my ADHD mind. That's why I do well with the Erin Condren, because I feel like anything that I can customize, it's actually more of a harm. If you know what I mean. Like having ADHD and being a creative person, I'm always looking for ways to tweak it and, like, you know, swap this out for that or hack this for that. And it does more harm than good. So that's why I always go back to my Erin Condren. And this is the first year. I've used this Erin Condren every single week since January, except for a few weeks here and there. But yeah, I did very, very well with sticking to my Erin Condren life planner this year. And I've ordered a couple different layouts because I was going to switch my layout, but then I realized probably like a month or two ago that the neutral vertical is what worked for me this year. So I went ahead a couple weeks ago and ordered the same one for 2019. I was going to go into a neutral horizontal, and then I got a colorful vertical, and then I got a hourly, and no. So usually that's what I do when I have these kinds of kits. I'm not a big washi person. Now this is my washi from Chrissy Ann Designs at Michael's. It's a very dreary day, so I apologize if the lighting isn't great. I have my ring light like all the way up. I love blank boxes like this. I like decorative here and there, but I don't like the busy decorative boxes where I can't really see my writing because I have a lot to write down in a day. Even though half the shit I write down I don't get done anyway, so it's not like I'm getting stuff done. but you know what I mean. I need more space. I can't have all decorative stickers. So what I do is I never really use these deco sheets. It's a shame, but I love these sheets. I love them. Black boxes. Okay, so what box do I... Usually I'll use like 1 or 2 decorative boxes. I'll use this one. And then I'll put another one on this side. And these are like a premium matte, you guys. These are very nice stickers. And I actually got them for like 50% off. Like if I see a shop that's new and I never ordered from them and they're having a sale and I think I'm gonna like their kits, that's when I place an order. But now that I've been planning for 4 years, I know what I like and what shops I like. And if you're watching this and you're new, it is totally normal to buy all the stickers, all the $2 Tuesdays in the beginning. You will eventually find your planner groove, but you will end up with crap upon crap upon crap that you don't use. So just a heads up, it is normal. We all do it. 4 years ago, I ordered from any and every Etsy shop. Any $2 Tuesday, I didn't care. And then I stuck with Chrissy Ann Designs and the sticker binders, and like I like Wild Summer Designs. I only order from Avalon and Ninth once. Let's Planet is another one. That's a fairly new shop. That was after Go Wild I ordered from her, but I am in love with her shop. Birds Fly Studio, Wild Summer Designs. I found her shop from Plan with Jessie J, and she has great sales also. Another shop I love is the Coffee Monster Co. All right, you guys, my phone keeps going dead, so I had added this little box, and I added this blank check box, this box, and this box. Throughout the week, I usually add like little icons from other shops and so on. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on that little bell notification icon so you can get future video updates from me. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing your comments so we can chat in the comment section below. Have a good day, everybody.